Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce you to Carbon County School District Number One's new suite of AI tools designed to support students and staff. First up, for our entire community, we have a new tool on our website, crb1.net, called Always On. This powerful tool is a chatbot that provides instantaneous, accurate answers to questions by using information found directly on our website. It's your 24/7 resource for all things CCSD1. For our secondary students and teachers, we're leveraging Turnitin. This tool is not just for checking plagiarism and AI generated content. It also comes with integrated writing tools to help students improve their skills and become better writers. Our staff now has access to Google Gemini and Notebook LM through their district accounts. As long as you're using your district account, these tools are FERPA compliant. Our flagship AI tool for staff is SchoolAi. SchoolAi has a set of generative AI tools with built-in context to improve your prompts. It features collaborative AI companions and, most importantly, spaces, an AI environment to help students learn that provides teachers with instantaneous feedback. A quick but important reminder: please use only approved AI tools provided by the district. Unapproved AI tools may not align with the district's privacy and security obligations. Thank you for watching. We're excited to see how these tools will enhance learning and productivity for everyone.